Look at the effects that you can get using a heat gun and epoxy. This was a fun project, and in this video we're going to show you how we used a sponge and some metallic colors to really make this project outstanding. Refinish desktops, countertops, tabletops, and more. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com and enjoy the video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. Let's go through the process of making your own epoxy project. We're going to start with MDF painted with 2 coats of paint and primer in one. In this case, we used black. We're going to sand that with 220 grit so there's no high points. We'll wipe the dust and we're going to mix our epoxy colors. We're going to mix our Blue Earth and our real teal metallic, and we're going to use our black base color tint and our white base color tint, mix in some epoxy. We're going to take 4 volunteers and everybody's going to take turns spreading those colors out in a random fashion. Next, we're going to use a normal tile sponge and simply move those colors around. You don't want to overmix anything, but look at the effects that you get simply moving those and pushing them together using a normal household sponge. During this training class, we gave everybody an opportunity to use light pressure on that sponge and simply move those colors around. Don't forget to use your gloved hand and rub out those long edges as well. Now we're ready for the next step. We're going to use a torch and a heat gun to push this color around as well. The torch is going to act different than the sponge. It's going to heat the material up, and the materials are really going to be forced together. That heat gun will roll the color on top of itself to give different effects as well. Play around with these different techniques and you'll be amazed at the effects that you'll achieve. Our epoxy formulation is unique. We have a very long open working time, so you don't need to be in a rush when you're creating your masterpiece. You get to use a heat gun and a torch on these surfaces and really move that color around so you get the look and the desired finish that you want. Check that out. When this surface is cured, it's non-porous. You have a very heat-resistant surface. You can even set hot pans on it, and it's very user-friendly. People like that it's easy to clean, and this surface is duplicatable. You can do this in one part of your home, follow the same recipe, and get amazing results elsewhere. Your tired, worn-out surfaces such as your desks and your tables and your countertops and different surfaces in your home can simply be refinished in your own design. You can mix and match colors and create your own specific look that you're going for. All we're really doing is just checking the surface, making sure we love everything, and look at our finished product. This piece came out like smoky turquoise. Hey, remember, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next video. Visit stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video. Thanks again.